You're watching KATC TV3, Acadiana's news channel at 6.
It could be a total catastrophe if no one steps in to help them. And a lot of these guys have pre-existing health conditions, and I just fear that it could turn into a death camp without some intervening.
Days after an Oakdale inmate died from COVID-19, those with loved ones in custody have concerns about the conditions. The Bureau of Federal Prisons is reporting at least 10 cases with the facility in Allen Parish.
Saturday in Oakdale, the nation's first federal inmate died from COVID-19. Among the 10 confirmed cases, there are 7 inmates and 3 staff members who are infected. But according to reports, at least 60 inmates are now in quarantine. And as Kendra LaFleur reports, some are now worried the coronavirus could rapidly spread inside the facility.
Is watching ambulances come and go.
Arjan Thompson's boyfriend, Brandon Livas, is serving time at Oakdale on theft charges. He's set to be released in a few months, but Thompson fears what could happen in the meantime.
Basically, they have signs up saying wash your hands for 20 seconds or more and try to stay 6 feet away from each other. But in Brandon's camp, that's virtually impossible, seeing as their bunk beds are mere feet away from each other. I've been calling the BOP. I've been filing complaints. I've tried to do everything I can on my end to get answers.
Health experts warn prisons could be especially hard hit by the pandemic. Thompson, meanwhile, waits in New Orleans for updates from her boyfriend.
These nonviolent criminals should have a fair chance to survive this, and within the settings that they're in now, I don't think that that's possible. I'm so thankful that I've been able to talk to Brandon, but there are so many women and family members out there who haven't been able to hear from their loved ones in weeks, and knowing that people are dying in there and are really sick and in solitary confinement to keep the containment from going, they have no idea what the state of their inmate, their loved one is.
Reporting for KATC TV3, I'm Kendra LaFleur.
We have reached out to the facility and the Bureau of Prisons, and as of news time, we have not yet heard back. Meanwhile, in Orleans Parish, 11 sheriff office employees and several inmates have tested positive for COVID-19. More than a dozen others are still waiting for their test results to come back.
Tonight, cases of COVID-19 continue to rise here in Acadiana. There are now 212 cases with 8 deaths. Lafayette has the highest count in the region at 82, followed by Calcasieu Parish with 42 cases. St. Landry also reporting its first death today in connection with the virus. Hospitals in Acadiana are nearing capacity under the strain of the coronavirus. That according to Dr. Tina Stefanski with the Office of Public Health. She says